Docker is just kind of the industry standard. Everybody understands that. It's well understood. And there was some worry that if we went with, say, Podman, then the very next thing that comes up is, why did you not pick Docker? Docker's the thing everyone understands. It just works, and now I got to learn a new thing. Again, not that Podman's not cool. I think I've ranted on this in previous episodes about how when we moved to Linux, we have kind of the opposite problem we did on BSD, which BSD, it was like you had one tool or you had none, depending on what the feature was you wanted, but you had one tool and that was it, and you had no choices. You go to Linux and it's like, now I got the embarrassment of riches and I don't know which tool to pick because there's so many different options. It's just so much larger of a community, more vibrant, more development's happening. And so there's a lot of times multiple ways to solve the same problem. And so you got to make a tough call and say, well, which one do we like in this particular instance? I don't just have the in-kernel NFS. I also have NFS Ganesha out there. Okay. FreeBSD, we didn't have that luxury as a parent. But anyway, same thing with Docker, same thing with Podman. We just took a look. And at the end of the day, we said, you know what? The community has been asking for Docker by name. The people asking for Podman was very small in comparison. Not that it's not cool, not that it doesn't have some cool bells and whistles, but we figured we would go with what the consensus was here, which is Docker is the de facto. It's what everyone kind of groks and understands. It's in the zeitgeist, if you will.